Crewton Ramone's House of Math.
Okay. So, Crewton Ramone's House of Math. We are playing, and we've got. Alright. Get in the picture.
Okay, I'm here.
Now, so what do we got here?
I know. This is kind of hard to do with that.
No, it's not. Just sit down. You're in the picture right there.
Yeah.
Alright, you.
5.
So, the problem that she gave us was 14. And
Plus
we got 9 and some more is 14. How much more is 14? What do 9 need to be to 14? What is 9 plus x makes 14? Let's see. So what do I have to do?
what I have to do is 9 wants 1 to be 10.
There you go.
And then we just have the extra 4, so 5.
Okay. So put the 5 there. So we can see for sure. And do you see there is our equal sign? We can see the equal sign very clearly. We were using this 9 as a negative. That's why it's got the dot on it. Anyway. All right. So there you go. Was it 5 under your cup? Was it 5 under there? Yeah, let's see. What was under the cup?
I see page.
Show us what's in the cup.
What's in the cup?
It was a 5.
Nice.
Okay. All right, so now you got to make one for her.
Okay. No looking.
No looking. Okay. Yeah. Get rid of those guys. Make it something bigger than this. Whatever it is. Okay, no looking. Oh, that's going to be an easy one. Okay. And then what's going to go in the cup? All right, fine. Now what's going to go into the cup?
Cup.
Here's your cup. What's going to go in the cup? Paige isn't looking. Look, she's hiding. She's hiding her face so she can't see. So you can't see. That's good. That's good.
Got
All right,
it.
you ready? All right, so what plus 7 is the same as 16? So here's our story. You can look now, Paige.
Page.
You can look now.
Page.
So we've got 16 this time.
Yeah, 16. Well, let's see
16. We got 16 cookies. We ate 7 of the cookies. How many more cookies are left?
Oh, look. So here. We have 16 cookies. 7 cookies.
6 plus 3.
Wait.
That's exactly true. She already got it. Look how fast she is. Instantaneous.
She got it?
Yes. Didn't she just say 6 plus 3?
9.
9 and look, Marcus got it. Look what he did. Oh no. What do you got underneath there? Why did you put an 8 underneath there? That doesn't make 16. Put the right number under there.
I know. Okay, wait, there.
Alright. 9 is right, because that's the same thing as a 3 and a 6. Alright. Now, how about you give us another one, and then I'm going to give you a tricky one. I'm going to give you one of those negative ones. I'm going to give you one of those minus ones where you got to use hero 0.
I don't look.
Okay, so he's not looking. Now nobody's looking. Let's get rid of this thing over here. And I'm going to set up a problem where I have some number, and I'm going to take away how much?
9.
Okay, go ahead.
Let's take away 9.
What's the next
All right, fine. We'll take away 9. And that's going to be the same thing as what?
Negative.
Positive. We're going to leave the number positive.
No. Let's make it fun.
Wait, this is your problem coming up. Don't worry. You can still make your problem.
Fun.
49 is 8. Hold on.
4.
49 is 8.
Okay, what have you got? You got a 14 again. She put a 14 again. This is Paige's problem. 14. I know, these are not the symbols for the problem.
Never left this.
Don't worry. All right, fine. Here, look, I'll do this. Jeez.
Where's the block I need? Wait, what's
Put that right there so we have no question.
Where's the block I need?
Okay, no, wait. What is it? What block do you have? Oh, she has an 8. Okay, so what do I need? You, tell me. What goes here?
6.
Done. Finished. Is it 6 under your cup? We weren't looking, promise. Is it 6 under your cup? Is it?
What's under the cup, Paige?
What's under your cup? It is a 6. Yay, we got it. Okay.
I mean, I'll give it a
Now it's your turn. Here is your problem. Dun 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 dun. Get all this out of here. I have some number, and here's my x, and I have a -9, and I'm going to use this as my -9 because I don't have any. I don't have any that have.
Negative 9?
That's a -9 because I don't have any ones that are glued on this other side. So that dot right there tells us a -9.
I thought we were doing 9 minus whatever it was.
What does it say? What does it say?
X minus 9.
X minus 9 is the same thing as 5. So some number is 5. Have things got negative over here? Right, because I just don't have one like this that I could stick to the board. I could probably grab some Play-Doh and stick it on there, but I don't want to. It's faster and easier. Do we just know it's negative?
Yeah.
All right, so I've got some number. You can flip yours over.
Plus 5.
It's the same thing as 5. What number does this have to be? First thing, does it have to? Can you see that it's more than 10? That it's fooling you into thinking that it's a 10, but it's just right, because X always tries to trick you into thinking it's a 10. But it's got to be more than 10 there. So what number take away 9 is the same thing as 5?
See what they're doing over there?
Oh.
-9 is equal to 5.
Really? Do you think 4 minus 5 is going to be the same thing as 9?
No.
Oh, excuse me. You think that 4 minus 9 is going to be the same thing as 5?
4 minus 9.
What number do I have to take away?
Minus 9 to get 5.
What number am I going to take away from 9 to get 5?
Oh, no, figure that.
Yeah, so here's what. Remember
So
this?
you're saying that 4
Minus 9.
take away 9 is going to be the same thing as 5.
No. I thought we...
That's what I mean. That's what you're saying. That you're saying that X is supposed to be a 4?
No, 0.
All right, what does it have to be?
I was thinking that...
Tell me the answer. What does it have to be?
X minus 9 equals 5. So...
See, they're both thinking. Has to be. Is it 16? How could it be
Minus
16?
9
If I took
equals
16, all right, let's think about that. If I took away 16, if I had 16 and I took away 9, would I have 5?
No. Dang it. It's... Let me see. 14. No, wrong box. Okay.
And this is on camera too, just so you know. Right. What?
Oh my god, Dad, after this can history be over?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, do you see what he's doing? He goes, okay, how do you read this?
What? Yep, we got all kind of stuff in here.
Into the back set.
All right, so what's the answer?
Answer is 4,
Right. What do you think that they
14.
Okay. Now, how do I get that? How do I figure that out?
I get the answer from that.
All right, so here's what we're gonna do. Again, remember? Is there anything over here with? Is there anything over here with the 5?
Is there anything over? Do you see anything over the 5 right now, Paige?
Is there anything over here with the 5? Get over here.
That's where 0 comes.
That's where 0 comes in. Is there anything? Answer my question. Is there anything over here with the 5? Is there anything over here with the 5? Say it loud. Is there anything over here with the 5? Is there anything over here with the 5, Paige?
Anything over there with the 5, or is it just the 5?
Just a 5.
Just the 5. So the answer is no. Say it. No.
Oh. She did. She's playing for
All right. We have nothing over here with the 5. We have 5 plus nothing. That's right. Hero 0. We're gonna make hero 0, and the way we're gonna make hero 0 is we're gonna have 9, and we're gonna take away 9. This is gonna be my -9. Normally you would have it like this, but like I said, I don't have all the pieces. So anyway, that's my -9. Now I can look over here and I can see. Oh, look, there it is. There's my 0 over here with my 5. Is there stuff that's same?
Look, is there?
No, you're a 0.
Now take the stuff that's same away.
Okay,
Yes,
Oh,
you.
yeah, okay. No.
Take the stuff away that's same.
Look what they need. So
Get that out of there.
Okay.
You're there.
Okay. Look.
Since you have
Take the stuff away that's same.
Okay, no heroes. What's the same on this
Are
side?
those same?
Oh no, this one's negative.
Tell me what's the
Yes.
same.
And these
What two things are
All
the
right.
same? Here and over here.
Now we got stuff that's same. Isn't that the same? What did we just do?
Here and over here.
just took away.
The stuff that was same.
Uh-huh.
So now what's over here?
No, but what two bars are
No,
the same?
14.
There's a 9
14.
here and a 6. Yeah, so on both sides, take them away.
There you go. So x has to be the same thing as 14.
Now,
And we can see very clearly that 14 minus 9, I can do it like this, or I can put it on top, or I could use the other piece. It doesn't matter. People get into the minutia of it, and it makes me crazy. Is the same thing as the 5. So 14 take away 9 is 5. So this is the number we were looking for. We added these two guys together to get that, didn't we? All right, let's do another one. I'm going to make another one.
Hopefully I'm
All right.
confused on this one.
0, 0 is the fastest, easiest way to do things. All right, so again, I'm going to have x.
oh, look at this problem page.
Okay, and this time I'm going to take away 7. And when I take away 7, I'm going to end up with 6. So we're just doing more add-ins. We're just learning more add-ins. We're looking at a fancy way to learn add-ins. So put your x up there.
Yeah.
Now I need a negative 7. And you know what? Give me a negative 6 and a negative 1.
Negative 1, negative 1.
Over there in the tray, there should be a negative 1. Way over here. All right, I'll get it. Right there is a negative 1. And there should be one on the board somewhere too, or it's on the floor, or who knows. Anyway, all right, so there it is. There's the same thing as negative 6, or excuse me, negative 7, and that's going to be the same thing as a 6. What does x have to be?
X must be. Wait. 15.
Yes, I'll wait for her.
Okay. Even takes me a second just to figure it out.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa!
You can't see me.
All right, have you got it? Yeah, see, these take a little bit of work. These take a little bit of thinking.
You're thinking, well, no, something has to be bigger. What do you have? I know
Yeah, I'm
you're
gonna-
thinking. So we have this x. Okay, x.
Yep, we got x.
And then we take away 7.
So there must be a hero 0 over here. Look, I made my hero 0 like this,
Take away 7.
just for fun.
And it equals.
Get all this out of the way. Get this out of here. I can actually get these out of here.
Oh, I think it's so confused.
Get this one out of here.
What? How do we do that?
Once you do hero 0, since you did the last
Look at all these pieces over here. Isn't that hero 0? Did you see the stuff the same? Okay, we're still waiting for you.
Why
Yeah,
do
like
you
it's not as much
you
of a
have
mess.
x minus 6? It looks like you have x like a negative 6 or a negative 7 there.
That's a 6 and a 1, and that's a 7 and a 5 and a 2. They're all 7s.
Oh.
7, 7, 7.
We're just getting fancy. We're having fun over here. I don't know what you guys are doing.
So you see, look, he's got
Why
x
do they have things in the cup?
minus 7. Okay. Is equal to
6. And see, that's an add-in we should know. We've built 13s before, haven't we? We've built pyramids with 13s. We've done all kinds of stuff with 13 before. But now, can you find the stuff the same? Hand me the stuff the same. Give me the stuff the same.
Which one? What is the same on both sides?
There you go. Good stuff. Wait a minute. Here. All right, so I'm going to take it. I'm going to stick it up here. There's my 0. That's exactly right.
This is 6 and
I'll put that up there like that. So now I know. And I know it's going to be, more than, it's got to be more than 10. So it's going to be 10 and some more. How much more? Well, it's got to be that much more. How do I know? Because I'm going to take grab me just a 6 and a 7. Where's the 7? Grab me that 7 over there. There you go. And I know I've got my 6. And I got my 7. And I know that 6 and 7 is, what does 6 want to be? What's it need?
4.
And is there a 4 and 7?
Yeah.
And what's left over? Could I do it the other way? Very good! That's the answer! 13 is the right answer! Oh, really?
Oh yeah, your kitchen.
Yeah, my kitchen. Look at this mess.
You got an earthquake.
Yeah, there you go. It looks like it. No, just 2 little boys and no maid. The maid refuses to show up.
I'm gonna make you an earthquake. I'm gonna make ourselves an earthquake.
Yeah. Okay. So, what if I did it the other way around? What if I did it like this? Then what does 7 want to be?
10.
What's it need?
3.
And is there a 3 and 6?
Yes.
And is there how much left over?
3.
So 13. Done. All right. Now you make us one.
Make us one. I won't look. I'm gonna get confused. I won't look.
Yeah, you make us one. All right, and then we'll do some algebra. Well, we'll do some factoring polynomials. We are doing algebra. But anyway, you make us one. Make us one like this. Some number, take away some other number, is a number. That's all it is.
So we're gonna be doing. Like
So we're doing hero. We're just doing hero 0, and then we're gonna do another one. Now you make one too.
Am I going at the same time?
Yep.
10.
Fine. Okay, so the little kids are building their problems for each other. X minus something is what? X minus 8, okay, is the same thing as 6. Okay, that's a good one. That's a good one. So we're going to have an X over here. Now we've got to build 8s, though. So here, I'm going to rewrite it. You made it. You made the problem. I'm going to rewrite it big for people to see.
Yeah.
Okay,
I just
so X minus 8 was the same thing as a 6. All right. So there's a 6. We got our 6. We leave our 6 here. Oops. Grab that 6. Sorry. And I gotta have an 8, so I'm gonna take my this and that and grab that one too. Jeez, dropping pieces everywhere. And there's a that's a 7. Where's my 6?
It's right here.
Okay, there's a 6. All right. So now I'm gonna build a 6 with a 3. Do I have another negative 3 on there? Yes, I do.
Tell them that you're ready with your problem.
Are you ready to go?
Paige is ready with her problem.
All right. Tell us your problem.
So you're free to proper.
Okay. You look pretty ready to me.
Minus 7 equals 7.
Something minus 7. So here's Paige's problem. Something minus 7 is the same thing as a 7. What do you think? What is it?
14.
14. Very
7
good.
plus 7 is 14.
Because 7 plus 7 is 14. There you go. Let's build this, though, real quick. Okay, so we got this problem over here. So we'll remember yours was that one. So we'll do this one. We've got X. We take away a 7, which is a 5 and a 2. Oops. Let's go over here. It's the same thing as a 7. And I need a negative 5. So here's a negative 5. Alright, so there you go. So I got this and this combined is the same thing as a 7. And Julian Marcus knew. Go turn around the corner. Go down there and grab me that. The negative one's right there. Alright. That. And I need one more negative 1. Or I need a negative 4. Do I not have a negative 4? What'd you do with the negative 4? Didn't I just have one? Alright, fine. Here, we'll take that one. Alright, so now we find the stuff the same. Hammer the stuff the same.
Same.
That. Is that same? Is a 7 and a negative 7 the same?
Oh, no.
Alright. So now we got stuff that's same. And I'll just put the 0 up there. There's my hero 0 is going to be 7. And what's that doing? And I have... Jeez. And I'd wind up with a 7 and a 7 over here is what it should have been. And 7 and 7, we all knew from doing our multiplication and from playing all this time, 7 and 7 is the same thing as 14. X has to be 14. Very easy. All right, so now you got to solve the one that Julian made.
Mine was x minus 8 equals 6.
X minus 8 equals 6. So here, I'll draw it real quick. I'll make symbols. X minus the 8 is the same thing as 6.
Negative 8.
Okay, we get make a negative 8 is going to be. Well, there's a. Well, let's put this 8 over here. How about a negative 3 and a negative 5? I agree.
Yeah, that's what I was
All right, bam, and bam, and then we can make an 8 with a 4 and a 4. What do you think?
I thought I heard it. Oh, it's a good negative 4.
Negative 4. All right, there you go. But now there's our 0. Now here's our 6. All right, so x minus the 8 equals 6. And we're just having fun over here because I don't have these guys magnetized. So
now I know.
what's it got to be?
What do we have on both sides? We have
Get that out of there. Put it up here. So we know what our 0 is. There's our 0. Okay, good job. Yep. Okay. So tell her the answer. This is her problem. Wait, your answer. It's his problem. Yeah, it's their answer. I'm sorry, I got confused.
Same here.
plus the
So how do we figure that one out? 6 wants to be what?
it's plus the
Oh, she's figuring it out. She's got the blocks.
Thinking mind.
Thinking mind.
Oh wow, you have so many notifications.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Constant. Can't keep up.
I read a couple of mine, then I just delete them all.
I know. This is what I do too. So people, but see, that annoys people because sometimes I get like 35 notifications, and then somebody wants an answer or somebody asked a question,
Yeah.
and then I just deleted everything, and I don't see it till later.
Yeah, and like they want to.
Anyway, all right. So what was my answer? What did I get? What is 8 and 6? You got. I see them in your hand, so I know you know what you're doing. You just got to figure out what 8 and 6 is.
no.
14!
That is correct. Exactly right.
Yes.
Because I either take 2 out of here and get 14, or I take 4 out of here. Either way, I get 14. All right.
No, and 14. This and
It's fine.
that.
That's not. That would be. This is a negative.
Oh,
We need a positive.
actual 4. Now,
An actual 14. And we need to turn this x over and turn it that way. All right. And it's absolutely true that 14 take away 8 is the same thing as 6. And the way we figured that out was by adding these two together. We're not talking about additive inverses, none of that.
Looks great.
All right, do you want to do a couple of factoring polynomials?
That looks great.
Sure.
The other one.
Let's factor some.
I want.
Let's factor. Oh yes, you do. Let's factor some polynomials and then quit.
Is this X?
Or I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do.
That looks great. Paige, get
Paige.
ready. Get ready.
Paige, get ready.
We can't see you guys.
We're gonna do. I know we can't see you. What'd you guys do? You turn the camera to the. I'm looking at a pillow. What's going on?
You see a pillow and a chair.
Do you know where I am?
I do not know where you are.
I
You're
think
high. She's
you
high.
were-
She's under the table. I
right-
guarantee it.
I'm gonna say right there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna guarantee like right there.
Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna play with.
Yeah.
Let's play with percentages just for fun. Because I got these people that are silly and they don't understand that you can do percentages right away with little kids.
Ouch.
All right. Sit up. Okay.
I tricked you again, guys.
Okay.
Now find me.
I can't find you because you got to move the camera around.
We need a
I say
chair.
you're under the table next to the chair. That's what I said.
I say you're moving the chair.
You are correct.
Which it's no fun playing hide and seek. There she is. It's no fun playing hide and seek when you're on the camera because all I got to do is step out of the range of the camera. All right. So look, Paige. This is what's 100. Do you know how many years are in a century?
How many years are in that century?
Do you know?
How many dots are in this? How many little dots are in
How many would this be?
Um,
there?
Yeah. How many? 100. Okay, 1 cent. If I have a cent, I need 100 of these things to make $1. $1, 1 cent, a cent, 100 cents per cent. Percent. Percent, yep, 100. So percent. So here is 20%. You see I have 20. Actually, I'll show you. Let's start with this. Let's start in the beginning. There's 10%. 10 per 100. Can you show me 10%? Show me 10%. Get out this one and this one. Show me 10%. Page. Show me 10%. So you need 100. Well, we're not doing of anything. We're just showing 10%.
Oh, we're making it 100.
Yeah, we're making this 100, but we're talking about 10 per 100. Now look, then I can do show me 20%.
Okay, show him 20% of
And then move the camera a little bit so I can see, because I can't see the table.
20.
Yep, 20%. Look, I can grab this, or this is just faster, or I can grab 2 of these. 20%. Ta-da! Very good. All right, how about 30%? Look how fast this is. Boom, 30%.
Is
Very good. I see it. I like it. How about 40%? Bam, 40%. Easy peasy. This stuff's super easy. Can you show me, how about 70%? Can you show me 70%?
70%. How do you do that?
Well, I'm going to do 70% like this. That'd be fast and easy.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, good job. Okay, so now let's go back and say, look, I've got 30... What do you got, Paige? Have you got 30 My Little Ponies?
You got 70 right
You
now.
probably got 70. All right, let's say exactly. With boys, it's trucks. With girls, it's My Little Ponies. Okay,
trucks.
so or toy cars.
I guess. I don't know. I
Yeah.
don't play with those things.
All right, so you got 30 My Little Ponies for this problem, and 20% are pink. How many My Little Ponies are pink? Actually, that's not a good story. Let's say 20% are blue, because most of your My Little Ponies are probably pink.
Ta-da!
Very good, very good. What's going to fit in here? Well, there you go. 6 will fit in there. So now I can see, and I'm going to write it so you can see it. 20% of 30 is how much? Exactly. 6.
Now I get it.
Easy, isn't it?
Yep.
All right, I'm going to give you another one. We'll make the story a little more true now. 20% of... We'll make it 70, like you said. You got probably 70 My Little Ponies.
That's a key, yes.
And 20% of your 70 ponies are the big My Little Ponies. The big ones. Not the little ones, but the big My Little Ponies. How many are the big ones? If 20% of your 70 My Little Ponies...
I know.
Oh my goodness. Let's write that nicely. How many are... There you go. And look.
That one's going the wrong direction.
It's okay. There you go. All right.
Well, it wouldn't have stuck if it went the
Yeah,
other
exactly. It wouldn't have stuck. All right. And you know what we can do? Where is there a multi-tens kit handy? Another multi-tens kit? I have tons of them. Yes, right there on the floor next to you. Straight down. Just pick it up. In fact, there's 2 kits down there. Yeah. And there's another one over here. All right. So. Whew. All right, got it. Multi-tens make life fast and easy.
Make math. Oh.
Oh.
Could we just use Smurf instead? Oh, no.
No, we definitely can't use a pinch to morph.
It's not just stick, but you can get it off.
Okay, so here's that. And look, I'm getting rid of these guys. I'll put that there.
20%
Of 70. And then I'm going to do this one.
20%.
Grab that 20 that's right there.
Oh wait.
Just get up on your knees. Boy.
Barely.
Alright, there you go. 2-finger made it.
Yay.
You're trying to go that way?
Bam.
Oh.
Alright. Yeah, I see.
Actually, it still records.
It does.
What's that? Is that?
I don't know.
That's coming from them, I think.
Yes. Alright, did you see what we did? So now you got to get your 70 out and put it over here. Or get out 7 10s. Like I said, you can do it with these blue guys. It just takes forever.
It just takes a long time.
I got these guys. And I got some more of those guys.
It takes them to a
And I got another one of those guys. How many have I got so far? I've got
5.
I got 5. I need some more. I got another one over here.
Let's just make it even slower and grab these.
No, we want to grab those guys. Those guys we want to grab.
That would make it even
And then these guys like
slower.
this. Alright, so then I could grab all those guys and take them out one at a time. But it takes forever.
Wait, we
So
can
anyway, what are you
just-
doing, Paige?
Paige.
I'm playing with a pen.
I know you're playing with a pen. You're supposed to be playing with the blocks and make this thing happen. So, and all you got to do is grab one of these. It's the easiest thing ever. Just grab this.
Yeah. Looks like a brick.
Here you go, big one. How big is this?
So we knew, what do we know? We knew all of this. We knew 20%, 20%, and we knew the 70. And the only part you had to figure out, we're still doing problem solving, and it's still basically what's under the cup when you get right down to it,
How much
is figure out what goes right there.
How much was that? It was 7. How much was that? Well done.
14.
Very good.
Uh,
All right, what if I change my story and I say I had 40, I don't know, what do you like? I had 40 cookies, because we're going to have a party. Leave that there. And I wanted, let's see, I had 20% of them, and see, all we're doing is pairs.
Oh.
Right?
I'm silly.
All right, got it.
Oh my god. Why did I took it off to play with it.
And when it's on the top like that, it doesn't really matter that much. 'Cause once you got
And then
that.
just hang.
And see, now, look, I'm just changing the number. Before we had 14, I didn't write the answer.
No, we
But-
need
Now, oh, look, I got a pink pen just for you.
just the My Little Pony thing.
Now I have
Pick it up.
40. Oh, wait, let's put this in here.
You read this? What does it say?
20% of 40. What's going to fit in there?
Where does it say? This. Right here, up here.
Yeah, put it in there.
20. What do we call it?
There you go. Completed it. There you go. Complete. Pretty simple, huh?
I can put it on snack.
Uh-huh.
I make noise at least.
Uh-huh.
Percent.
Whoa. Can we switch with the other one? Or is it just the end of the lesson now?
No.
Is it the end of the lesson?
We're getting close.
Yeah.
Although, like I said, see, when you come and play, she plays for a long time. When it's just me, she doesn't think I'm so cool. She thinks you're cool.
What's that going to be?
Soon as we're going to meet in person.
Yes, it's true.
Oh, that's so much better. So there's like a little icon right there.
Just touch it. There you go.
And then there's that one there. So
Uh-huh.
that you can look at it. But then why does it have a picture for you and then you do that and it doesn't have any picture for that? sense? What sense is that? Like you do that, it's
Stop.
blank. It blanks.
All right, so tell me my answer. We've been over here waiting for like a week and a half. 8 is the answer. You are correct.
Yes.
Good job.
This one.
All right, I'm gonna give you another. Is it this one?
No.
Technically, it is, but
It is, but that's a good
but you gotta break your 8 up, otherwise, because if you're gonna try to put an 8 in there that looks like that, you're gonna have a bad time.
Yeah,
All right, so now I'm gonna change it. Yes, you got it. You're correct. You're correct. And see, this is the other thing. You gotta wait for them. You gotta wait. It takes a while. They don't get it immediately. They fool around. All right, you.
one.
Here comes the new problem.
Dun, dun, dun,
Dun dun dun. I'm gonna change it to next degree of difficulty. Add another one. 30% of 40.
Oh, look at this.
30%.
Hey,
30% of 40. Now what? I'm
look.
gonna use this.
What's
30% of 40. Yeah, put them in there.
This might be the last
Oh,
round.
this one is the magnet came off.
You ripped the magnet off.
I just pulled it off.
Yep. Wait. Well, is this okay? We'll glue it. And that's why you use Elmer's, because now you know all I gotta do is make it wet, and it'll go right back on.
I see Max in the background.
I think we got enough.
Max is just like right there, Dad. Max is just like right there.
What's 30% of 40?
So what's 30% of 40? Oh, come on, just count it and stick them in there.
Oh,
Exactly, 8 plus 4 more. Now, we can do it that way. We could do this, 8 and 4 more, which is 8 takes the 2 out of there. Very good, that is the answer. 12 is the answer. Good job. 12 is exactly right. I could put the 12 there. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, you want to make one for
I
us?
can see it.
Make one for us. Now it's time for you to make one for us.
There's pillows.
Nice pillows, exactly.
They always say pillows.
All right, so we're going to leave everything else. You make one for us. Grab a couple of these blocks. Yes, right now. Make one for us.
I'll make one.
And you can make one too. But wait, let's wait for her. So tell us a problem. All right, hurry up and make the problem.
I won't look. I'm tired.
You look tired?
Yeah.
Yeah, you look like you need more sleep.
But I sleep after a lot, so.
Well, it's getting close to naps. All right, so anyway, you got to tell us the problem. You got to build it, and then you got to interpret it and tell us what the problem is.
Hey, we're doing the problem for
Okay, we're doing the problem. Let's see.
Why isn't the other one come?
What other one? I don't know.
It's just a carrot top.
Yeah, but you're earning $1 and he's not.
No.
50% of 40.
50% of 40?
Yep.
Wow, okay. Half of 40, basically, is what that says. 50% of 40. So I got to put my 50%. Where's my 50% going to go?
Just for the fun of it.
Okay, sure. Okay, sure.
Since
Let's
it
do
was
this.
there,
Since it's already there, sure. I was going to just grab one of these and stick it on there. Fast
this
and
time
easy.
that was faster.
Yeah. But
Oh.
it is, you're right, because it happened to be there. But I'm telling you, if you just want to grab one block, bam. How much faster and easier is that? All right, so there you go. Boom. What's going to go there?
20.
There you go. He says 20. You know why? Because he can count. He can count them. And I don't have another 4 handy, so I'm going to build my 4 with 2 2s.
You are right.
Yes, we are. All right, I'm going to give you a different problem. Check this out. I'm going to give you a crazy problem. Now comes a crazy problem. I'm going to say I'm going to tell you that I have 21.
Oh.
But I'm going to make this so easy that you can't miss it because we're starting out. So I'm going to show you that 21 goes right here like this.
Oh, I got
And then I'm going to tell you that 21 is some percent of 70. I don't know what percent of 70. 21 is what percent of 70? What is it going to be? 21 is what percent of 70? So see, now you got this one and this one. 21 is what percent of 70? What's got to go over here, Paige?
Over there. Look, Paige, you see him? What needs to go over there?
Yeah, grab the block and stick it in there. And then tell me what block you grabbed.
What goes in there? Hold on.
What's going to fit in there?
Wait, that's easy. I won.
Oh, really? Just 110? Oops.
Like this.
Is 110 going to fit in there?
Hold on. Let me build this for you so you can see it better.
Yeah, they got to build it.
Now, what needs to go? Look. What needs to go in here?
This is not Macintosh.
It's caught.
Yeah, what that could be.
Stop.
30.
30 is the right answer.
Correct.
Because 21 is definitely 30% of 70. All right, we're going to do one more and then we're going to quit.
One more and then we're done. Okay, last one.
All right. Well, that's what I mean. If I had... You can make up the story. If I had... I don't know. What number should I pick? We haven't played with the 60 before, so let's do the 60. So let's do 60, and we'll do 60, and I'll do what should I put in here? I'll put some 6s in. How many 6s should I put in?
I say.
How about 4 of them?
Oh my God, Dad, I have the phone.
How about 40 of them? Or how about 3 of them? I mean.
Spell.
All right. So how many is this? Can you count? How many is that?
How many is that, Paige?
You know what I mean? That's a lot of counting. That's 4. 4 what? 4 6s.
We can't see it. We can't actually see it. There's 4 of what? 4 what?
6s.
4 6s. Yeah.
Okay.
4 6s.
What's the name for 4 6s? What's the name for 4 6s? You're right. We can count this 2 ways. We can count it 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Or we could count it 6, 12, 18, 24. 20, that's the faster way to do it. Yep. Now, what's going to fit here? And you see, for little kids, degree of difficulty here, not a problem. What's going to fit in there?
1, 40.
Yep.
And one. This one fell off. So.
There you go.
I just play with it when it falls off.
Oh, here's the 4 6. Put them in. What's going to go in here?
Okay. And I can write it out. I could write 24 is X percent. Oh, no, wait, we knew that. Is 60% of
That looks so backwards.
X. What's X got to be?
We're gonna need 10.
You're going to need some 10s. How many of them will you need?
Come on.
How many of them are going to fit in there?
How many 10s?
Very good. 40 is the right answer. 20%, or excuse me, 24 is 60% of X. X would have to be 40. And we could tell a story. I had 24 Boy Scouts, and that was 60% of my pack. How many in my whole pack? 40. So if I had 24 guys show up, and that was 60% of my whole group would be 40. Could be Girl Scouts, could be Brownies, could be whatever. All right. I like it. Good job.
Hey, you did a good job.
You did a fantastic job.
Crewton Ramone's House of Math.com.